Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Regina Williana, NIM 3421117. In this video, I will explain a little about a mini journal titled Dakwah with Digital Media. First, abstract. This study aims to determine the extent to which the public can explain the potential of electronic media in Islamic da'wah, and also to inform the public of ways to pitch in the digital art at this time. One thing that is important for Muslims today with the increasingly established information technology is the effectiveness of the Islamic da'wah. Introduction. Religion is a system that regulates how faith or human turns in good or make and how people behave in their lives. Religion is an identity that must be honored by all human beings in a population, ensure that every individual has faith in good. If a person does not have a religion or belief, then he is not recognized as a citizen in Indonesia country. There are various religions that are believed one of which in Islam. The spread of da'wah in the cultural era is very advanced. The first to do da'wah be gathering message of visiting house one by one. Now da'wah is done through digital media. The development of technology and information beings to it for this dissemination da'wah. Currently, digital media plays an active role as the media used. The faster or speed is dakwah so that it can be seen and heard be more mad'u. Digital media is a content from was accessed through digital device, television, computer, and so on. For example, in the form of website, media, social media, image, audio, and digital video. Result and discussion. Result. The research was conducted several times, so it can be concluded from this research using the method of writing through a descriptive approach. To product good and correct data, the author will conduct a literature study and analysis literature study in down below for information that obtained from various sources both from books, articles, journal, and blogs. After that, researcher conducted a literature study. The analyst find meaning and the right and wise. Reading dakwah and to digital media. Next, discussion. Dakwah is an invitation, call or call Madabi voice, words and deeds. The purpose of the invitation is the effort of the preacher, da'i, in inviting al-making to know more about the creator and religion and be guided to the right path. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Dakwah contains Islamic message that urge mankind to stay away from disgraceful treatment. Abu Bakar Zakari expressed his opinion that dakwah is a form of effort for scholars and those who have knowledge of religion, Islam is to share knowledge with the community in order to awaken them to all things about religion and the world according to his ability. Uh, for to active the effectiveness of dakwah requires an element called the elements dakwah. This element then consists of 1 is a person who convey dakwah through oral or action. In scope, be noted that everyone is a preacher when give the right explain. Example 2. Mad'u is a person who accept, listen, and follow up the believer bidai. 3. Maddah is a dakwah material that will be conveyed by the da'i to Muslim honey. Dakwah material had previously be converted to lazy which contained care, sharing, and morality. 4. Wasilah is a medium tool used as a means to deliver propaganda. 5. Tariq, namely the models of dakwah used be da'i to convey the message of dakwah so that it can be understood and conveyable to mad'u. Next, from the point of view of communication, communication in dakwah can be said effective if of delivery of dakwah contains the following things. 1. Understanding. Careful acceptance of the contents of the stimulation as intent speaker atau preacher. 2. Pleasure. Listeners feel happy about what is conveyed. 3. Inflating. Influencing the attitude and feeling of listeners using physiological manipulation according to the ways of the listening alone. 4. Establish good social relation. 5. Generate concrete action. Next, E. The role and potential of electronic media in Islamic preaching. Currently, the development of mass media is a very fast. Mass media has become a big industry in today's society, starting from the emergence of radio as one of the electronic mass media at the time, and is now growing very rapid and can me it easier for humans to interact in cyberspace. Uh, the advantage of dakwah message due to depend on the goodness of this media. Therefore, a preach who wants to use it to media is required to know how to use it to media, because without proper dakwah method and techniques, it can give rise to unwanted negative impacts for listeners. There's also many dakwah social media that bring positive things to people who use to media. However, in this case, there are also many individuals who use social media irresponsible and even transparency. B. How to patch in the digital era. Dakwah has the meaning of inviting, calling, and caring. Many people have the word understanding, which causes some people to patch with violence. For example, dakwah with bad words. Thus, actually, it is no longer invite or challenge, but cursing the people to do what they call for. So, it is time for dakwah with social media to be taken seriously with the future because compared to pricing as usually or directly, dakwah through digital media has its own defined text. As the congratulation as the congregation read its wider and can be done anywhere and anytime. There are the things that need to be cautioned in doing dakwah, usually social media. 1. Content must be useful and so be a careful nature. 2. The content must contain something interesting. 3. Dakwah is done with a response or something that is a trend. Preacher must also be able to pay attention to issues that are currently viral in the community. Next, conclusion and suggestions. Dakwah is an invitation, call, must be voice, words, and deeds. The effectiveness of da'i is how dakwah is successful give influence and result to the listener according to what wanted or delivered with the pressure. To active the effectiveness of dakwah, it takes an element called the element of dakwah. This element the consistence of da'i, madu, madah, wasilah, and tarik. Therefore, there are various ways of delivering it. Because with the passing of time, the art has become more modern so that many social media can provide information easy and usually a short time with you any instinct that gets in the way. However, with this social media, it is not only easy for you to get information, and there are also negative impacts depending on the social media you share. Suggestions. The creator is the digital era. So many people use that media, but everything that exists also has its positive and negative points. It is annoying to who is using it. Bias usage of the media must be careful in causing success that are used as benchmark for studying religion so as not to define from obtaining material, and for the millennial generation they must help correct the surrounding community not to use the media. That's just a little explanation about dakwah with digital media. Sorry if there are many shortcomings. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.